welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to create interactive dynamic donut chart in Excel using pivot table. So this is my end result. This is how it looks, and the data for this is sample sales data with the salespersons, products, and the total revenue. I'm not going to include these four columns for now. So concentrate on these three columns: the salesperson, product, and the sales data. So here I wanted to see how each of the salesperson performing by products, right? So this is how it looks. So for now I have selected all of them, and I wanted to see how Anna R is doing. So this is 40%, and Anupama is just 10%, and Peter is just 48%, right? So now I just want to see a couple of products, say toys and books. So I'm pressing the control and holding that. Press and hold the control button and select multiple options. So by the way, this is a slicer. It's part of pivot table. I'm going to tell you in detail how to create that. Right, so right now I am analyzing the sales data for these three users only for books and toys. Okay, what if I just want to see the sales result for just one product for computers? So this is how it looks, and for electronics this is how, and for all of them, control, press and hold the control, click and select all of them. So this is the overall data for the all three persons under all the products category. Okay, so this is the end result. So I'm gonna show you now how to create this. All right, so this is my raw data. As I said earlier, I'm gonna select the entire data. Anyway, I don't need the serial number, so I am not selecting that. So I have around 100 plus rows, as this is the sample data. In the real example, you may be having thousands of rows. Okay, then go to insert, go to pivot chart, select pivot chart and table. Okay, let it create a new sheet. So as you can see here, it selected the range. Press OK. Okay, it created a new sheet. So I am not interested in the chart which is given by default by the pivot table. So I'm going to delete this. Okay, I just need the pivot table, and I'm going to derive a chart out of it. All right, now select the data for the pivot table. So in values, I am interested in analyzing the sales amount. Okay, and in the rows, obviously the salespersons. Okay, so we have one more item called product. So by default, it's for all of them. So what if I want to analyze for individual product? So I'm going to select in this product under filter. Okay, that's how it looks for the pivot table, and here it shows some, but I need something different. Let me show you that. Click anywhere in the table and right click and then say show value as column total. That means we are going to calculate the percentage of total, right? So I'm going to say percentage of total, right? So this should be 100%. So how each of them distributed among themselves? That means if you add up together, it should be 100%. That's how the chart looks, right? So the total of these percentages is 100. So that is why I have selected this as percentage of column total. Okay, so now the data is ready. So I need one more column, dummy column for the donut table. Okay, I will create it. Basically, let me explain that what it is. So 1 minus this is B4. Okay, this is gonna give me the result or the data for the gap. That means if you take this as 100%, so this is the one minus this. That means remaining percentage of this total sales value. So I will show you how it looks in the graph or in the chart, donut chart. Same thing for these three people as well. Okay, yeah, this is just a dummy data. I'm gonna use that in the chart. Okay, later I'm gonna hide this. Okay, now the time for to create the chart. Go to insert and then select this donut chart. Okay, and I'm gonna create like this three, each one for the each salesperson. Okay, and then right click, select data. So there's no data series, so you're gonna add now. So there is a trick here. As you can see here, okay, this is a this is the actual value and this is the empty. So this shows emptiness and filled. Okay, for that I am going to create one more series, some dummy series. Okay, you just say one for like entire uh, chart value will be represented by one. There is no split. Okay, so you will understand at the end. Okay, I have just created a dummy series. Now I'm gonna add the real data. Add one more. So this will be your first salesperson, and then here take out this. This should be these two values. Okay, so this is a calculated value. So I'm going to use this to say, show the percentage of, this is 40% of 100 and this is 59% of 100. Okay, so now we need to merge this so that the inner range will not be visible, right, in the complete chart. For that, what I'm going to do is, okay, before that, I'm going to make this as a dim. Okay, yeah, something like this. And then now select this, go to change series. Here you gonna select this as secondary axis. So in the final result, it will be it will look like this. The primary axis will be hidden. This axis will be hidden. Okay, I'll show you how it looks. Yeah, that's hidden. Now this value, 59%, right? That I'm gonna make it as no fill. No. Make sure that you select the one section, not the complete part, just one part. Click. Okay, so you have to click twice. Click once. So now the entire chart is selected. Click again to select only this part. And then now go to format, fill, no fill. Yeah. So as you can see here, this part is now, the what we are seeing is the first primary series. That purpose of that is to dim it. Okay, this is the actual value, right? So this completes the chart. I'm going to take out these values. Okay, I will repeat the same for other two persons. Insert. I'm going to do it quickly this time. Chart. Select data. Add a dummy one first. That's one. Yeah, and then add one more series. This should be your second user or the second salesperson. Under the data, you're going to select the B and C columns. Yeah, press OK. Similarly, okay, let's fill this with a lighter color so that it looks dim, and the other one brighter color of that same column. Okay, now I'm gonna merge this. Okay, ideally I should see only the two sections. This is correct. Yeah, that's fine because I see this one section and other section. Since it looks so big, I thought there are multiple sections. Okay, so I'm gonna merge this into same axis so that it looks one. Select this. Yeah, and unfill the no, you have to say select, select, select. Okay, format and then say no fill. Okay, so this looks emptiness and this looks completeness. All right, similarly for the other one, insert, select data, add. So for the dummy series, I'm going to select one, and for the real series, I'm going to select the last salesperson. Press OK, and then select the lighter color for the inner series. Merge into one series, and then so what is the actual value? That is 48%. That should This should be the one, right? Yeah, this is the higher one and this is the smaller one. So this I should make it as no fill. Okay, so this shows how much is filled. Okay, now I'm gonna take out these things. Okay, so now I'm gonna add a series as a value for this. How much, what is the percentage? That should be dynamic enough. So now go to insert, go to text box, select text. Okay, so here you in the formula bar you're gonna say is equal to and then select the first salesman. Okay, then press enter. This is how you fill the text box. So let me format this so that it looks better. Okay, let me match with this color. say no outline. Okay, this is the label for the chart, and what will be the data label for this chart? So again, go to insert text. No. So it will be doing press is equal to and then this. No, this will give me. Okay, you can just type B4. That should suffice. And then format the. Okay, this looks much better. Take out the outlines. Okay, same thing for other three charts. Copy and then paste. B5. 6. Okay, let me match with this color. Yeah. Okay. So this is a dummy column as I was telling. So you mark it as white so that it's not visible. And you take out the grid lines. Yeah, it looks better. Okay. And these things also you can take out. No outlines. Yeah. So now time to add the slicer. Click here, go to pivot table, analyze, and then insert slicer. Right? So you're gonna no, you're gonna select the product because that's what we need, right? Say okay. So we have 4 products. So you can do some verification if you want. Yeah, this looks better. Yeah, the values are changing. Okay, I did a mistake here. This is the actual value and this is the empty. So I have to revert that here as well, I think. No. This is Anupama, right? So this is the actual value and this is the dummy. Yeah, I'm going to change that. So this should be a fill. and this should be no fill. They should show emptiness. Okay, this is 23% and this is 60%. So this is also wrong. You can see here, Peter's the sales amount is 66%. That means this should be the solid and this should be the lighter color. Let me change that as well. No, yeah, this is perfect. This looks beautiful. So this is how you create a dynamic interactive chart using pivot table. I'm going to add one more trick here so it looks even better. So let me take out this chart. Let me save this. Group it together so that you can move around. Oh, it's not moving. Okay, let's do it again once more. Insert and then select it. So to give a scattered look, I'm gonna have multiple series, around 30 series. For that, I just split each one of them into one, section of ones, that is 30 ones. You will understand how. Yeah, so this looks scattered, right? Make everything into single color. Okay, now add one more series, that's the actual value. Remember there is a column here. Yeah. Okay, I should have done it a little dim. This should be as solid as this. I'm gonna take out this. Okay, now go to chart series and then select this, merge together. Now, this one, I'm gonna make it as transparent. Click, click. remember you have to select this second part, I mean off part of the circle, I mean donut. So now copy this, should be basics. Yeah, this looks beautiful. No, again I did a mistake. Okay, so I'm gonna revert this back to this should be the solid one, and this should be the hollow one. I don't know if it. So yeah, this when you present it looks scattered. That means it's in progress, kind of, right? So now this is 66%. If you select, see, it's growing and shrinking. So it kind of gives you a progressive look, right? So yeah, you can add your own skills. So that's how you can create interactive dynamic charts in Excel using pivot table and using some basic skills. Right, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or any solutions you're looking for in Excel, let me know. I will try to answer them. Thank you. See you later.